LCX turning up at Davos, man, turning up. Really, really putting on a show. How many elites, wealthy people left Davos with LCX on their mind? Because we are seeing an insane pump right here, man. You can see LCX pop past the 236, and this is on the weekly chart, family. I told y'all it's like a psychological number. When you see these projects hit their 2019 2020 lows here, it's getting ready to coil back up, leading into the next bull cycle. And the bottom here, which I believe was 3 cent, so it's almost a 5x already. It just crossed 15 cent. Well, there you go. For the people who got in at 3 cents, you got you a 5x. Salute to you. You can see LCX market cap here, family, is sitting at 111 million. So the market cap has been going crazy. I mean, when I first talked about this project on my channel, the market cap was $39 million, and I should have took an opportunity to invest more into LCX, but unfortunately I did miss the boat. I got a little bit full transparency, but nothing too impactful. Hopefully this thing can go to something like north of Binance market cap, and maybe, you know, my little bit of LCX will turn into something. But again, this is why we need layer twos, because the Ethereum fees, man, really turns me off with using MetaMask and making my investments, because the fees just be so much. But again, LCX, man, up 40% on the day. And you got to really understand what you hold with LCX. You can see some of the things that they're involved with: compliance, tokenization, on-chain identity, real-time cap table, on-chain asset management. These guys really are ushering in crypto regulation for exchanges, full transparency, compliance. You can see right here, identity registry on LCX to map to all core information relevant to identity, whitelisted address set, recovery addresses. I mean, these guys are working with the World Economic Forum, Global Digital Finance, Blockchain Research Institute. The potential for something like LCX is limited. LCX Vault, LCX Bank. A lot of people believe that the CBDCs will be built on LCX somehow with this exchange. Also, a lot of tokenization going on. So these guys are ready. You know, they're ready. If crypto projects are deemed a security, LCX is already regulated, compliant, and ready to turn up on the world. So again, I'm liking what I'm seeing from LCX. You can see right here, it did cross the 236, and it's just rising, family. It's just rising. And this is the weekly charts. Again, I always explain to you guys how important it is to understand when these projects hit their 2019 2020 lows here. After seeing all-time highs, we usually see it coiling up and getting ready for another push to the upside. And Crypto Kids, shout out to Crypto Cribs, he put out a great thread here. I'll go ahead and follow him, set the example. Make sure you go follow me on Twitter. I was a little late to the party as well, but you can see tokenization with the opportunity, tokenization opportunity with regulation. LCX has connections with the WEF. So many relations to big institutions, governments, big partnerships, including blockchain space with Quant. You know, they're partner with Quant and HBAR. Okay, LCX is already compliant with MiCA regulations. So, man, these guys are already compliant in Europe, the first regulated European exchange based on Liechtenstein with multiple licenses. And as we know, regulation is getting more and more important. We know regulation is around the corner, man. And these projects that's already compliant regulation, that's where the institution money is going. Trillions of dollars could possibly pour into LCX, and right now we're talking about $111 million market cap. So still early, even though it has already 5x. I would be looking for possible pullbacks for entry points. But as Crypto Crib said here, it's set up to possibly the settlement system of Europe. LCX is in position to be the crypto exchange for big banks, high net worth individual, the elites in Europe. And whether it's for CBDCs or tokenized assets, LCX will be the go-to platform. So, man, this thing is about to make a run on a lot of crypto exchanges. You know, crypto.com, Binance, you know, you might have some competition. A lot of people feel like LCX could eventually replace FTX and get some of that volume, because all those people that got wrecked, you know, they're going to flock. You know, they don't want to really leave crypto. This is one of the only places where you can quickly get a 300x on your capital. So they don't really want to leave crypto, but they want to make sure that they're investing into something that's safe, compliant, and regulated. And family, if LCX was able to get to a Binance market cap, it would sit at about 52 bucks. Right now it's $11. You're looking at a excuse me, I said $11. Where did I get that from? Right now it is 15 cents, and you're looking at a 379x just from where it's at now. If LCX was able to garner the attention, volume, and user ability that Binance has, that's could be huge, man. We're talking about a 379x, and it already 5x. You know what I mean? So this is the type of potential that LCX has. I would again wait for this fear and greed index to climb a little bit more, because then you'll see a lot of people start to take profits, and I'm pretty sure LCX will offer opportunities of entry points when we get that pullback. You know, nothing runs up forever, and I do expect LCX to pull back a little bit here, and you can get some good entry points. Crazy, man. Crazy, huge cup and handle, double bottom, whatever you want to call it. And this is from the beginning and existence of LCX. It finally is starting to catch that win. It's finally starting to catch that the eye of some of the wealthiest people around the world. And look who audits LCX hacking. So you know what I'm saying, make sure y'all pay attention to some of those projects that I've been dropping in the Patreon. Links will be in the description. I also did a video on hacking. Go check out that video. Hey, y'all, let me know what y'all think about LCX. Did y'all get in LCX at 3 cents? Let me know the people who got into LCX at 3 cents. I'd love to know about you guys. Success stories. It's your boy Soap Guys TV Millie. I'm out.